Hey YouTube. I got a little bored this summer or this winter, and I decided to install an inflatable hot tub in my basement. I have the Coleman Saluspa Tahiti, 4-person, 71-inch, 26-inch deep um, tub, and I'm just going to give some informational tips on how to install this thing for basement use. Again, do at your own risk. Um, One of the main things you have to worry about, they say, is humidity, but my basement's large enough, I think, where it wouldn't be too big of an issue. So I'm just getting started here. So first off, you don't want this to be installed on directly on the concrete. I have an unfinished basement, and so I picked up these mats, and they're 24 inches, 2 feet by 2 feet square mats. They're like gym floor mats that I got from Home Depot. They're about $18 for 6 of them. So I got 2 packs in order to cover the entire pool and kind of have some room left over. I got 2 packs, so I'm using 3 by 4. So what's that, 12? So I have some left over, but it's all good. So yeah, so follow the instructions. Here's the pump, and you can actually use the pump to inflate this. So there's no additional pumps required to inflate this. All you do is just simply take the black hose that they give you, install it on the air line, which is the larger line right here, and then inflate it on this valve here. You have to put the inflator cap on there, but there's plenty of instructions. A lot of people have already done this, but what I wanted to highlight in this was one small issue I came across, was that after I inflated it, after I filled it up, that valve, the airline valve, was leaking. So what you need to do, they include this cap that's supposed to close this off, like when you are deflating, and then also when you are taking water out. In that cap, there's an O-ring, and actually that O-ring, you put it inside. You take it out of the cap and you actually put it inside the valve so that this sits flush, and and you'll get a good connection. You want to actually, I found out afterwards, after I had already filled up the pool, or the spa hot tub, but if you actually do this beforehand, connect it right with that O-ring, you should have a pretty good connection. It'll be a lot easier. If you already have your pool filled up, you kind of just have to like push against the edge, and then just really make sure you have a good connection. So just kind of use your body weight to push on the edge of the pool and kind of toggle the connection so that they mate well. It's kind of hard. I wish they would have included some extra tubing, but yeah, they don't. So yeah, currently I have this all set up, and I'm just currently at 66 degrees, setting it for 104. So per the instructions, they say it takes about a day to heat up. You can use your water that's already heated in your water heater, but I didn't want to make it too difficult, so I just decided to take water from a hose and do it like that. I do plan on doing a low chlorine route, so I'll have a video about that, how I test that out. I did take a water sample to my local store, and they said all I needed was just to shock it, and then shock it, and then do no chlorine shock when after use. But I don't know what they're talking about, so there's plenty of forums information. But yeah, so I'll be making a video once when I about adding the chemicals. But planning on putting a TV on that wall, and I have like a little smart light that changes colors, and I have a lot of crap back here, so I'll probably move the stuff around, maybe put a curtain up. But yeah, you guys follow my channel, like, subscribe, and follow me on this journey. I'm looking forward to getting some good tub time.